On Thursday, Chevrolet unveiled the midsize Colorado pickup truck for 2023. Almost every aspect of this truck is new. In the first half of 2023, the Chevy Colorado will be available in 5 distinct trim levels. Customers can progress from the entry-level work truck through the Colorado LT, Trail Boss, Z71, and ZR2 from there. Every Colorado will be available with the identical crew cab and short box design, regardless of trim. The truck is slightly larger in every dimension than it was previously, and more options are now available, thanks to the wheels sharing the same bolt pattern as the larger Silverado pickup. The new design is generally quite sleek, and the Z71 and ZR2 variants have LED illumination. Inside, Chevy says there are 4 new interior schemes, with wrapped and stitched knee pads on the doors and center console. Other trims get neat contrast stitching and cloth, and leather upholstery choices will be offered. For the first time, Chevy will even offer the Colorado with a sunroof. A big highlight of the Colorado's cabin is the standard 11.3-inch central touchscreen, running an updated version of Chevy's easy-to-use infotainment software. Every 2023 Chevy Colorado will be powered by a 2.7-liter turbocharged i4 engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. On WT and LT trims, rear-wheel drive is standard and 4-wheel drive is optional, while Trail Boss, Z71, and ZR2 models come standard with 4WD. Despite all trucks sharing the same engine, Chevy offers 3 different power outputs, depending on trim. The base 2.7L Turbo is standard on WT and LT, while the 2.7L Turbo Plus is optional. The Z71 and Trail Boss come standard with the 2.7L Turbo Plus, and the most powerful 2.7L Turbo high output is reserved for the ZR2. Thanks for watching.
Audio Jungle.